How to close a Chime account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to close a Chime account. So for that, all you have to do is just simply open your Chime account, and in order to delete your account or close your account, you first need to have an account in Chime. So if you have that, just simply open it, and after that, in order to delete or close your account, all you have to do is just simply follow these quick steps in order to delete your account permanently. So first of all, if you already have a Chime account, so you need to transfer all your money or your data from your Chime to a bank account. You can also use your PayPal account to transfer the money, or your Cash App account, any other financial transaction application that you trust. And after transferring your money from your Chime account to any of the preferred financial services application like your bank account, PayPal or Cash App, just simply you have to unlink your external accounts by clicking on the settings option and click on linked account and tap on unlink, and that will unlink all your external accounts from your Chime account. And then you simply have to go back to the settings menu again and just simply click on the personal information section, and there you will be able to see the option called close account. You just simply have to tap on it, and if you don't find the close option account, you just simply have to call the Chime customer support and just tell them that you would want to remove your account permanently or you want to close your account permanently, and the Chime customer team will reach out to you and help you regarding closing your account permanently. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to close a Chime account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.